Okay, we got another Lincoln Woods party tonight. Yeah, jam session.
No, I don't know.
Uh-oh. Good work.
Oh, Sydney. I see Sydney every once in a while.
Oh, the Russell.
Yeah, funny. Oh, and Jerry, too.
Sydney's cool though.
Yeah, Jerry.
I love that.
Jerry, and then there's the new black lab. Here comes his mom. That's amazing. Rich.
Yeah.
But he's really big.
Little wag.
Oh, yeah, that's so funny.
Yeah.
He goes like,
I want to get Norman a Norman cam. You know, the video wherever he goes, so from his point of view. Wouldn't that be cool? Now they have them, but not wireless. They must have some kind of Bluetooth.
Yeah. It's becoming a regular stop every day.
Whoa.
No.
Yeah. Brian was saying they should make a dog run here.
Uh-oh.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Well, that's good. So that's the move. Just let the other person do it. Kind of like when you have to have a rule. If you call your mom and then you get disconnected.
Right.
All right, Mom. Here's the deal. I call you back. What? No, we're doing good. Oscar's here. Everybody's here. How long has this been going on?
I just walked out. It started just when I asked that lady. I didn't know about that. And then Mojo joined the party. And then
Couldn't pass up a party.
just like that.
Oh, you bought Mojo?
Well, I bought him. I didn't know this. When I got him, I didn't know.
Oh, you moved here before?
No, I just got him. You know, I had been here a year and a half ago.
That's what I mean. You were here before.
By the way, you going to go to the bathroom at all or what?
I didn't know.
All right, we're going to shut this off.